Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up for the Zoom Workplace app from your phone. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, go to the App Store, search for the Zoom Workplace and download it. On the app main screen, tap the sign up button. This will take you to the registration page. Enter your email address, then choose a strong password. Type your first and last name in the boxes below. Read the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. After that, tap sign up at the bottom. Zoom will send a verification email to your inbox. Open your mail app on your phone, find the email from Zoom and tap the verification link inside. After verification, go back to the Zoom Workplace app and log in using your email or password. Now you are ready to join meetings or start your own. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.